So we started doing some flashing here. We started at the low point and we tried to carefully go around this right here, this corner, and we're going to have to Geico tape that to make sure that it is watertight. We tried to overlap up here so if any water running down the side, and we're going to put some caulking along that edge so we can paint that edge. And you can see we're overlapping, working our way up, bringing it onto the roof a good 7 inches, and we'll Geico tape this edge. So now over in here, and you can see the damage is pretty bad right through here, but we'll have new flashing over this. So we're going to start now at this low point. So I need to do a little bit more scraping, and then we're going to start down there and we're going to work our way up. And then the last thing, when we get to this point, we're going to overlap with the little one right on the very top. And I see a nail sticking out there we got to get yet. But otherwise, we're on track. I'm trying to keep the seam against the siding really tight. So a little bit of caulking will make that watertight.